In Geometry 10.1, we're dealing with circles and circumferences. Now, you've dealt with some circles before when we were dealing with area and perimeter, so we're going to go more in depth on parts of a circle. So, this is a circle, and we name a circle by its center. So, this is circle C, because the center is labeled C. Now, anything from the center to the outside is called the radius. Anything that goes from one side to the other through the center is called the diameter, and a chord is any segment on a circle. So it doesn't have to go through the middle at all, but this is called a chord. So if you take that chord, put it in the middle, then you get the diameter. So the equations of a circle you need to know. If you see capital C, that's a circumference. That would be the perimeter around a circle. Since it's not a straight edge, so that's why they call it circumference. D is for diameter, so that's from here to here, that chord that goes to the center. And R is for radius, which is the chord that goes from the middle to the outside. Circumference is pi times D. Now, pi is 3.14, and it's the ratio between a circle's diameter and its circumference. So pi d, or because the diameter equals 2 pi, the circumference equals because the diameter equals 2r, that means 2 radiuses. Okay, if you take this radius, it would equal this, so 2 radiuses equals the diameter. I can also write the circumference as 2r. So see D, I replace it with 2r. 2r times the diameter. Okay? Sorry, 2r times pi, not the diameter. 2r pi. So, go ahead and write this down. Don't forget the vocabulary. We're going to do some example problems on this. Okay? Here is an example. It says circle R has diameter ST and QM. Okay? So again, circle R is in the middle right here. So we have ST right here. Sorry. This is ST and this is QM. So diameter ST and QM. So if ST equals 18, find what RS is. This is RS. Okay, so we know that the diameter equals 2R. So if I know the diameter is 18, okay, and I need 2 times the radius at this point is going to be RS, or we'll call it X. Right? So it would be 18 to X. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. I'm going to get X equals 9 because the radius is half the diameter. So X is RS equals 9. Now RN is right here, and it is a radius, and it wants us to find what RP is. Well, because this is a radius, all radiuses are the same. So if RN equals 2 and Rn equals Rp, then Rp also equals 2. Right? So try page 557, numbers 1 through 6, 557, numbers 1 through 6, and I'll see you in class.